What if your phone case could do magic? Not just hold your phone, but do the work of a utility wallet. This is the Daily Case, built for everyday carry.
Okay, here, Cece, can you choose a card for me? Any card, not that card. No, I'm joking, you can take that card. Okay, now can you please sign it for me? Sign your name.
Okay. My name?
Yes, sign your name, right on the front.
Okay.
Okay, now can you show the camera? Okay. Okay, now say stop. Okay, yeah, you can put the card right there. Okay, now we're going to just lose it into the deck. Now, Cece, in my phone case, I actually have a card. Would you like to see it? I put the card here at the beginning. It's a red card here. What was your card? Can you say? You can use Chinese. 你的牌是什么？
我的牌是草花斑。Okay.
CC.
Yes, CC is my card. Thank you.
A Daily Case is a powerful utility device that allows for card to wallet with or without palming, switches, and peaks, all with your phone.
Let's choose a card really quick, okay? Okay, that's good. Okay. I'm just gonna stick it into the case. No, Esther, now that I have the card in my case, I want you to just pick another card. Okay? Look at it. Okay. No, actually, yeah, now say stop. Stop. Let's put it there. Okay. So, you saw that I put a card in my case, right?
I did.
Okay. What was your card?
3 of hearts.
And watch. Now, look in the deck. There's no 3 of hearts.
What is this?
Yeah.
That's cool.
Any card, anytime, even a spectator signed card, instantly appearing inside the case. Coins, keys, and small objects can be loaded just as easily. The Daily Case includes performance and tutorial videos covering use, care, and routines. Real utility built into your phone.